channel Play Tycoon. Reach the workstation 90, redeem your points and new user file. So everything so much easily. Not only I asking you be completely watching my video. If you not be understand anything, so I will helping to you, and I hope you will be enjoying my video. So I will be tell you how to be completed to be this Play Factory Tycoon reach a workstation 19. Okay, so this mean like we workstation to be unlocked 19 levels. Okay, so I hope you will be completely watching my video and don't skip now, and I tell you everything about this game, how to complete to be the workstation 19. Okay guys, you checking on my Play Store. I will be download this game and I hope you will be enjoy now. Let's start now. Completely I will tell you everything to be this game, how to the unlock workstation. First of all I will close this sound because this is this more disruptive violence. Collect these coins, tap on this game and floor to floor 5. So first of all you will be purchasing something. On tap on this man, just only tap on this fans. Okay, collect the rewards. Okay, collect the rewards. This is the options profit too. If you're watching this only video, so then you will be earn double coin. Okay, first of all you will be upgrade if you have more coins, so you will be upgrade now. So many of people coming here. Okay, one of member new coming. So because you're checking on this game like before 5 6 7 8 9 10, this floor name workstation. Okay, so I'll be will do just only you completely watching my videos because I tell you everything about this game. Profit. Okay, first of all booster watching the video what telling me. Okay, coins you will be set now. Okay, first of all the settings coins because just only upgrading now something. Okay, so I will be upgrade now this game. Okay, thank you for checking now on because if you work hard and then you will be upgrade this game, so you will be purchasing now these coins. Okay, before I also to be upgrade now. Level, if you unlock level 5, so then you will be coming on second floor. Just to be try to be members more than now. Just try to be tap on this car profit booster, checking now, not to be this time anything. Booster. Okay, I checking here to be if you reach like be 50 levels, so then you will be coming here. Okay, so this is the floor names booster. Okay, enter now, tap on here also, because many of people's coming and you will be clicking here, because tap on your members. Tap on this people's checking on your coins more than working fast. Just to be try here. Because when you will be your levels upgrade now, so then your coins more than okay. I will be upgrade to be second levels to be okay. Try to be fast. Tap on here. Work hard now, then you this is the workstation first. So this type this game now, and I will be explaining how to be complete to this game matters everything. So I hope you will be enjoy my video, and please request you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm more helping to you to be teaching you how to complete to be these games. Okay, levels up. Correct. बदल टाइम का होता है. Tap on this car. Tap on this car. Okay. Okay, upgrade now again more.